If you want to use circle to search on POCO F7 Pro, then what you need to do is simply press and hold your finger on the home button if you use 3 buttons for navigation, and if you use gestures, then you need to press and hold your finger on the navigation handle. So press and hold, and then you will open this screen. You can simply tap anywhere on your screen in order to try to search for results. Of course, you can still adjust the area if needed. And you can also draw a circle. So for example, if I draw a circle around this search bar, I should be able to find some results as well. We can also go to visual matches in order to try to find exact thing. Not only that, we have some additional features available with circle to search. More precisely, we can just search by using the microphone, or just by simply tapping over here. So we can quickly go to the Google search. We can also use this icon on the right side in order to search for a song. So this is something like a Shazam. So if you press over here, you should be able to play, sing, or hum a song in order to find the title of the song by using Google. And of course, we have this translation option. If you tap on this option, you should be able to choose the source language, which is also usually automatically detected, and the target language. So if you have something in a foreign language on your screen, you can actually get the translation pretty much immediately. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!